Sketch the graph of the equation. Identify the vertex. Here we have the equation y is equal to the quantity x minus 3 squared. I'm going to start by looking at this in an equivalent form by squaring that binomial. So x times x gives x squared. Our inner and outer products are both negative 3x. We'll have two of them combining to a negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is a plus 9. So we can just see this equation in a little bit different form. Now, in order to identify the vertex, I'm going to use the formula for identifying a vertex, which starts with x is equal to a negative b over 2a. In this equation, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to negative 6. So we'll have the opposite of negative 6 over 2 times 1. That gives us a 6 over 2, or 3. The x value of the vertex is 3. To find the y value of the vertex, we can substitute that value of 3 into either form of this equation for x. I'm going to choose this one. So y is equal to 3 minus 3 quantity squared. That's 0 squared, or 0. So we've identified the vertex. It is a point where x is 3, y is equal to 0. Another thing I'm going to do is just complete a few points in our t-table to help us draw out the rest of this graph of a parabola. We've already determined the point 3, 0, the vertex. Let's find a few other points in this t-table. If we let x equal 0 in the equation, y equal x minus 3 quantity squared, then we have a 0 minus 3, that's negative 3 quantity squared, or positive 9. If we let x equal 1, then y is equal to 1 minus 3, or negative 2 quantity squared, that's 4. If x is 5, y is 5 minus 3 quantity squared, that's 2 squared, or 4. And if x is 6, y is 6 minus 3, or 3 quantity squared, positive 9. Let's plot these points in our Cartesian coordinate system now. We've got the point 0, 9. That's 0 on the x-axis, up 9 on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 9. We've got the point 1, 4, over 1, up 4. We have the vertex at 3, 0. I'm going to clearly identify that. We've got another point at 5, 4. So we can start to see the symmetry involved in this parabola. Lastly, we have a point at 6, 9. This is 6, up 9. Let's sketch the graph now. Trying to draw a smooth curve through all of those points. So we do indeed have the graph of this parabola, y equal x minus 3 quantity squared, and we've identified the vertex at 3, 0.